Heidi, how have the last 2 days been for you?
The last 2 days have been a very pleasant surprise. I was very anxious about attending this workshop. I've had a lot of anxiety about presentations, and I really feel like Matt was just exceptional in his ability to have each of us recognize our strengths and acknowledging how we've improved. I think he's a great instructor.
Do you want to discuss how Matt's teaching training style?
I think he has a really great training style. He's calm. He uses humor. He engages his audience. He's, I think, very effective at what he does.
Did you like the interactive aspect of the training?
I did.
Hands-on, being filmed. Do you want to discuss that for a second?
I think it gives you an insight that you've never seen before, and so it's rather painful at first, but after you see the progression and the improvement of yourself over the time, I think it's really exceptional.